Hey there, beautiful souls. Greg Kuhn here, your ever present manifesting friend and law of attraction science guy. Welcome back to another episode of Notes Channeled from the Quantum Field. Today is extra special because we're celebrating a remarkable woman, my incredible wife, Shawn. It's her birthday today, and I want to share something profound she taught me recently. And first, happy birthday to you, baby. You are so smart, talented, and hardworking, not to mention beautiful inside and out. You know, I confessed to Shawn just last night that fall tends to bring me down a bit, despite all the wonderful things it offers. Football, Halloween, Reese's Cups, that perfect crisp running weather here in Louisville, Kentucky. There's this nagging feeling. It's the anticipation of winter with its cold, gray days and shorter daylight hours. I was stuck in that future oriented mindset, missing out on a lot of the beauty in the present moment. But Shawn, being the wise soul she is, dropped a welcomed truth bomb on me. She said, Greg, the degree you experience that pain corresponds to how much you're not being present for fall. And just like that, it clicked. She reminded me that the key to beating the fall blues is being right here, right now, fully present in the moment. I told my wonderful wife, Shawn, you are right. You hit the nail on the head. Isn't it amazing how the people we surround ourselves with can be such powerful allies in our journey? Shawn's insight not only lifted my spirits, but also taught me a valuable lesson. It's a reminder that we all have the power to change our perspective and find joy in every season of life, no matter what challenges may come our way. And we also all have the power to choose our allies carefully and wisely. And then we have the power to choose to listen to them when they tell us their truths, when they are trying to help us. So, my wonderful viewers, as we celebrate Shawn's birthday today, I encourage you to look around. Recognize the incredible allies you have in your life, the ones who inspire and uplift you. Embrace the present moment. Savor the beauty of fall and let it fill your heart with gratitude and joy. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And here's to creating a life filled with love, presence, and endless possibilities. Until next time, remember the key to happiness is being right here, right now.